of them all. Act, cat, cack, boom. Cack, boom, you walk into the room. Cack. Pick it back up, then you fall on your back. Act to the cack, boom. Sugar, cack. Wow, boom, sugar, make sure you don't stop. Bring it back up and then left drop. Purse first. Walk to the room, purse first.
Today I want to do a review on, I think this is called karatica. I'm not too sure what the brand is. It's definitely Korean. I will show you. There you go. It is a whitening system. Now, I tried this from Sunday to Wednesday, every day and every night. There's essence and then just this whitening kit right here, which I'll talk to you about in a minute. They also sent me some eye patches. Don't have them with me at the moment, I forgot. I'll go and grab them in a bit after I finish this bit. So when I got these, they came in a box with just this actually like properly in it, because as you can see, it's got two little bits to hold it in and then that goes on top. But I found it a lot easier in the week just to use it and leave it like this. But I wanted to keep the tin and show you that it comes in a really nice tin. And again, they gave me the eye patches, which I will talk about. And then the essence, which I was very happy to try because I only had about 3 essences and I like to try more. And this is perfect because it's in a weird bottle. I was quite shocked, like when I opened it I was like, oh, that's a weird bottle. So yes, I tried these from Sunday to Wednesday every single day and every single night. This is the montage. I'm going to get straight into the montage of me doing it and then I'll show you how I felt after. So this is the montage. Montage. You know what I mean. Roll the clip. So this little Pearl Room White Transformation DNA Kit Whitening, that's all it says on it. I will show you. There you go. This comes with like a little squeezy. The first day, I was so freaking confused. I was like, what do you put on first, the essence or the whitening? I don't want my skin to get a rash. I didn't know what the hell. And after trying out the eye patches, I was like, what the hell? This is the weirdest shit I've ever tried. And I was very confused and it was very weird, but it was also cool that it was different. But if you're very into your 10-step Korean skincare routine, I would definitely try getting these because it is something very, very different that you can add into it as well. So the first day I had a piping hot shower like I always do, and then I popped this on my face, patted it in, and done that the night time as well. I did not notice a difference in my redness, and I was looking for the redness here. I get such bad redness here and I get a rash around my chin. This side is not that bad, but it's still like pinky red. So I was looking out for that. Nothing at all happened when I applied both of these products. This one was extremely runny, like liquid. I don't know if you can see from me tipping that. That is very liquidy. This one was more like my other essence that I used, which was quite nice because I didn't really feel the difference in, like, oh my god, I'm switching essences, I don't like it. I didn't feel a difference in that, so I really, really enjoyed that. That was kind of the same texture as my old essence. I really like that you could get these two together because I feel like this is a little bit harsh, because I will tell you why in the week, where this is very soothing but still whitening. They're just like a nice mixture, but this soothes a lot more than this one does. So by the second day, I was still a bit confused about what to put first. I just carried on putting this one on first, and I just went ahead. I really enjoyed this little like squeezy thing that you have to squeeze here to get the liquid out, as you can see. I really liked that because I knew that it wasn't going to drip in my bag or drip in my cupboard or anything like that. So Monday I was just like, don't feel any different really, let's carry on going. And I also wanted to say, I did use sheet masks, but I used DIY ones. So I basically used tea and like a bit of olive oil on my face because I didn't want whitening properties to affect these guys. So I suffered a whole week, well nearly like a couple of days, without a proper sheet mask for you guys. So I hope you appreciate that because I'm really freaking obsessed with sheet masks. So anyway, done my sheet mask, normal one, bit of tissue paper, nothing fancy, just wanted some extra moisture on my face, really. Little bit drying, like not like peeling or anything like that, but tightening a little bit, just a tiny bit. So I wanted a sheet mask on for that. Tuesday, in the morning, not much happened, went off to college. Tuesday evening, I had a piping hot shower again, and got out and I was like, hold on a second, hold your horses, what's happening here? Why isn't my face red? And I was just like, that has never ever happened. When I come out of the shower, even when I wear a sheet mask in the shower, my face is still red because I have it fucking hot, like hot shower, especially because it's winter as well. I have a long hot shower and I like to use it as steaming properties as well. Anyway, I was like, what the hell, why isn't my face red? This has never happened with anything, like even whitening sheet masks, this hasn't happened. So I was very confused, but carried on going, put this back on, was like great. In the evening, especially winter again, I get so hot at night when we have the heating on. All this bit actually tends to burn up and get red from blood circulation because yeah, I just get hot with the heating on, you know, normal hot red face with the heating on. I didn't get it and I was like, the fuck is going on? I was like, I feel so hot and it feels hot, but it's not red. And I normally get like this red or redder, but that's just because I just had a nap because I got a bit of a flu-ish. So yeah, okay, that's actually really good luck. I normally get about this red, like up here though. But that's just because I leant on something when I was sleeping. Idiot. So I was like, see, it must be this because like this is the only whitening thing that I have happened to me, and very weird. Washed my face Wednesday and I was just like, wow, my face is extremely bright and extremely white, and it looked like I had like teeth whitening done on my face. Like that's how I could feel. And this acne scar right here, I swear to God, I feel like it's changed. And I don't know if it's this or I don't know if it's this and my bleaching material that I use for the night time mixed together. If it is fucking great, I'll put a few drops in my bleaching thing. But I was like, whoa, it basically, that was the best way for me to explain it. My face had a teeth whitening treatment on it. You know when you look in the mirror the next day and you're like, oh yeah, hello white teeth. It was like that, but not like I looked sick white, just like I looked nice and just all one tone and just even. So I really thoroughly have enjoyed these two. Now I am gonna have a little bit of a break from them because if it works out great, I want to save these for a spa day and just do a couple on the weekend instead of every day, because I do feel like my face is actually getting a little bit too white where I need a bit of, like, I like the fact that I don't get the red bits, but I feel like I look like a bit ghostly. Like you can tell by my hand the difference between my face. So I am going to give these a bit of a break, but I definitely like 110% recommend these. They are really, really good, and again, they just sent them for me to free, and they like Instagram different story, I'm not going to talk about that, but on here they sent them for me for free. I don't even know if they think that I am doing a video on them that's on for YouTube. So yeah, just a product for free, but I really wanted to review these guys because there is a really great whitening kit to to be honest, and I give these two together a 10 out of 10. And as I said, this is quite harsh, but this is soothing, where this isn't harsh, but it's still got that extra whitening in it as well. Yes, I thoroughly enjoyed doing that for the wig, and I might do it again, something like that, from like Saturday to Wednesday, but just in the night time. I thoroughly enjoyed them, yeah. Okay guys, so I am super annoyed. I'm just editing right now, and the eye patches stuff has gone from my memory stick, my memory card. So I'm gonna redo them tonight, and just to show you what they look like and how they fit and like how weird they are, like I was talking about. If anything changes in the review, I will add it on me talking like this. If it doesn't, then I'll just keep it the way it is. But I'm so angry. And very strangely, it is 6 o'clock. So I'll try and keep them on for the same time that I said in the video. I don't know what I said in the video, so I will know when I'm editing it. But I'll try and keep them on the same time as I said. But that's weird that it's literally 6 o'clock right now. So yeah, I'll just redo it again for you. So these are the eye patches. This is the eye fill patch. They sent me this with the other ones, and this is the weirdest thing, hands down, and I've been doing this for a year now, that I have been sent. Just hands down. It was so confusing, so weird. There was only one review on it. That's also what made me want to do the review as well. There was only one review on it, and it was in Korean or Chinese. I'm not too sure. I couldn't understand it basically. I didn't know what the fuck these are. I was very confused. So me and my mum were gonna do one. I put two in the fridge, thinking that they were just gonna be jelly eye patches that were fucking awesome. Put them in the fridge and it'd be nice and cold and we'll have a relaxing day. She's like, yeah, okay, I'm up for that. I opened it, which I kept one to show you what it is like. I got this and obviously the product inside, and I'll show a clip of what the product looked like now. And I was just like, okay, maybe just got to do some unwrapping. The jelly will be in there, let's go. And even on the box, they look like freaking jelly patches. Like, look at that. Doesn't that look like a jelly patch to you? Because, like, to me, that looks like a freaking jelly patch. And so does that, and so does that. Anyway, so I undone them, and then I was like, they are hard as rocks. So it's like, maybe it's because I left them in the fridge. Let's leave them out on the side for a bit. Half an hour later, I was like, I'm gonna put these on now. They're still hard as rock, like almost the same as this plastic texture. And there were freaking needles, like micro needles, in the patches. So they were literally like this, and they had micro needles in them. And all them little dots that you see on there were micro needles. And I was like, oh, what the fuck? My eyes were like really hurting, and I was really confused. Anyway, then they turned into fucking jelly, and I was like, wow, this is so weird. But I was also intrigued. I was like, So the only thing I read online, then it was good for whitening and tightening and like brightening the eye basically. I have a lot of milk spots under my eyes. I don't know if that's the right word for calling them. Just them little pimply spots. They don't have any parts in them, they're just like little milk spots, that's what we call them. They went away when I used these, and you can tell because the only area I didn't use them, there's one left there, which is here, and I put the eye patch under here and they're all gone, so I'm really happy about that. Again, I might just go through the page just to get rid of them. It's better than popping them with a needle, and it's also whitening your under eyes as well. My eyes started itching in the night, so I was like, okay, I better take these off now. I'm pretty sure it was at least 4 hours. At least. Because I was definitely up for 4 hours when I had them on. So maybe even 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours I kept them on. Thought nothing of it, woke up the next night and I was like, wow, my eyes are a bit bright and all the milk spots are gone. So I was like, oh, okay, that's cool. And that's all I had to say about that. But it was a very weird process of figuring out what the hell they were. And the fact that they were micro needles that turned into jelly was just so weird to me. And my mum was like, for you to actually say a product is weird is saying something, because you get sent so much weird stuff that it must be fucking weird. So these were really weird, very confusing, but also very good at the same time. Hope you guys enjoyed my review on the Karatica. That's the brand name, by the way. That's how I would say it, karatica, if I went into a shop. I would recommend the whitening stuff, and again, I would recommend these to have as a weird thing to do with your girls once a month or a girls' night. Very weird, they'll be freaked out and cool by it at the same time. I was like, this is weird, but this is cool at the same time. That's exactly what this is. But there's just the fact that they're all micro needles. I was like, wow, I was blown away. Don't forget to like this video if you like more reviews. Don't forget to comment down below what's the weirdest thing that you have seen in the store or bought from the store. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. I will be doing a lot more reviews like this mainly, and routines. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.